Disaster response soldiers from U.S. Army Pacific, U.S. Army Japan, and Task Force Homeland Defense are in Manila for Balikatan 2012, taking part in a command post exercise designed to better prepare them for the Army's role during a disaster relief mission in the Pacific.
Following a major earthquake in the Metro Manila area, we were directed to cease all Balikatan 12 training operations. All exercise operations came to a grinding halt, and we began crisis action planning in anticipation of assisting the Filipino government and the armed forces of the Philippines.
The team is made up of personnel with skill sets best suited for humanitarian disaster relief operations, specialties such as civil affairs, engineering, medical, logistics, contracting, and legal, just to name a few.
Army capabilities, and specifically the HAST and the DAT teams that are created under the USARPAC umbrella, is unique in where we've got a mixture of folks that have specific skill sets and understanding, and our biggest asset across the Pacific AOR is our relationships that we've already built with the host nations through previous engagements and exercises.
The Contingency Command Post brings a tremendous amount of deployability and sustainability and a robust command and control structure. My group brings expertise in foreign humanitarian assistance, disaster response, and defense support of civil authorities. So bringing those organizations closer together and working in harmony and training with each other provides a much greater capability.
It boils down to bringing Army assets to bear in a crisis, and the process in which that flows. With the USAID as a lead federal agency, and knowing that process and how missions come down, so that we're doing what is needed by the host nation government, and not just doing something that we think is a good idea, but is desynchronizing other efforts.
Reporting from Camp Aguinaldo, Manila, Philippines, I'm Sergeant First Class Kevin Bell.